Yeah, I can still hear you.
Tap out.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
Shut up. I know it failed. Motovlogging sucked, and I guess everything now is motorcycling entertainers, and I posted something about it on Instagram, but I'm disappointed in how the community has basically just gone to meh. And I know there are other individuals that are making motovlogs and stuff like that, and I'm just not finding them because I'm not actively searching for new individuals with vlogging channels, and I feel bad about it because I used to do that. I used to go look and hunt out new content creators so I could see what they were doing and making the community better. I know when I see videos from these people and shit like that, and I'll leave a comment, they get stoked, or they used to when I used to do it. I mean, I'm guilty of it, I guess, myself. I've become more of a consumer than a content creator, and I hate that. I'm sorry. But watching channels just like get massive because of what they're doing with motorcycling, and then never doing motorcycling again, or limiting them to what got them to what they are. It sucks because I'm a part of the community that we built this shit, and it's not dead, but it's fallen. The community has fallen. Perfect example. There was a Florida motovlogger meetup. FLMM for hashtag purposes. It is a fantastic concept, and it is extremely business oriented. It's not, I don't know how to really put it. It's not how the meetups, I guess, used to be. I mean, obviously shit has to change. Like doing massive rides and shit like that just got really dangerous and swayed me away from going to them for a very long time. But for the initial Florida Motovlogger meetup, I wasn't invited. Butthurt. Butthurt it would be the correct words for it. I've shared my views on the meetup with a couple of friends of mine, but when I you know what? I really don't fucking care, motherfucker. Why couldn't you ask around to like, hey, where are all the motovloggers from Florida? My name didn't fucking pop up even once. Are you fist fucking me? I hate saying it, but that's a fucking dick move. And then when I introduce myself, hey, yeah, I gotta look you up later. Oh, you fucking dick. FLMM2. I went and talked to somebody. I was like, hey, what's up, man? It's been a while. I haven't seen you in like 4 years, but you know, I still know you. It's like, oh yeah, you're downshift87. Oh yeah, kinda. Little fucking butthurt. Yeah, sorry, dude. I don't have 1 million subscribers. Oh, motherfucker! Yeah, man. Really fucking sucks when, like, there's no more fucking respect. None. No more respect. I made it a point to go say what's up to every one of these fucks, and 90% of them didn't even know who the fuck I was. Dank really fucking know who the fuck I was. That motherfucker's a goddamn gangster. Shade Tree, love the man to fucking death. Stunt Lot, that dude fucking brought me out for FLMM 2. He's like, yeah man, come on out dude, you got a spot to fucking chill. I finally got to meet Sub D. That dude is a fucking G. Oh my god, I literally went there to see my friends. Yes, nobody knows me anymore. I got it. A lot of downtime on YouTube. My bad. But you're telling me you've never fucking heard of me? Yeah, thanks, bro. That's not... This is not where I wanted to take this topic. This is definitely not where I wanted to take this topic. You want some wheelie? I got him. I'm not ready for a stand-up. I want to be so bad, but I'm not.
Forged, strengthened by fire, folded and beat. When life hits you into the ground, it only makes you stronger. It's once you realize the only thing holding you back is yourself. Your self-doubt, your thoughts of failure, the little voice inside telling you you can't, on top of all the other shit that life decides to throw your way. The moment you realize that you've truly become stronger, that have been forged by the very things that have been beating you down, in that moment, you find peace and solace only from within. Forged. Stay strong, my dudes.
Oh, man.
So that topic
Yeah.
definitely took a hard right.
Ooh.
Yeah, it was bad.
Ooh.
It was bad. I was talking about FLMM.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, it was so bad.
Oh, no.
Oh, it was so bad. I don't know if I really want to post that.
Shit, was about...
I mentioned it, but I didn't mention anybody by name other than the people that I went to go chill with.
Yeah. I know the Stunt Lot guy. That guy was chill as fuck.
Who?
Stunt Lot.
Oh, yeah.
That dude. Yeah, that guy's great.
Yeah, that's why I was like, this dude fucking invited me out there. And he's like, yeah, dude, come chill. I'm like, fuck yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm definitely, oh, it was so bad. Yeah. It was so bad. I talk shit about
Oh?
I talk shit about fucking
Hey.
I'm kind of throwing under the bus. Yeah, so I definitely took a hard ride on that shit, and it was
Yes,
like,
that's fine. That's fine.